Hello and welcome to Eriba Caravan Sales. Today we're looking at the high-level brake light replacement. This one, as you can see, has water in it. It is a place where water can get into the caravan. Sometimes they're very easy to get out, sometimes they're very difficult. This one, it turned out, was very easy. It literally just came out like that. What this really meant was that water was pouring into the back of the caravan. The light itself still seemed to be in good condition, but the seal was non-existent. You can see just in the corner there it's still wet and water's been pouring in down there. This is the new one from 2017 and this is the old one from 2014, so it has been replaced. Obviously not very well. You can see me masking the area up after I've cleaned it all. It's also a good idea to mask the light itself up. I'm just using electrical insulation tape. Now the adhesive, Puraflex low modulus polyurethane. Put plenty on. Be very careful when you're putting this in. Don't wind the screws up too tight. The screws are only there really to hold it in place. It's the adhesive that's going to do the job. Take the mask off. I've plugged it in to light it up so you can see what's going on. And if we have a look at that now, you'll see we've sealed it in. It's a fairly neat job. Like I say, do not tighten those screws up. Just bed them down. That's it without the light on itself. A brand new light costs about £20 on eBay. It's well worth doing if you've got any type of problem or any doubt about the one that's in there. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.